Welcome to Santiago Hills. In our iLab, we believe that kids should be creators and innovators. We want to provide students the opportunity to wonder what if, to experiment with ideas and designs, to problem solve, and to overcome failure when at first they don't succeed. These are the guiding principles of our project, Dream, Design, Develop. Our iLab is a special place on campus where impact can best be reflected by our school community's attitude.
What is your favorite part of the school week?
iLab on Wednesdays. My favorite part of the week is going to iLab.
I am so grateful for iLab because while I can help my kids with ELA and math, I cannot program an Edison robot to sumo wrestle. But now my 9-year-old can.
A strength of our iLab is that students of all grades are learning how to program robots. This video shows a 3rd grade class participating in one of their favorite challenges this year. After reading the book, What Do You Do With All That Poo?, students turned Dash into a monkey and proceeded to fling poo the way monkeys do. Through this challenge, students learned to work together to problem solve. Through robot programming, they were able to visualize their solutions. For our upper graders, we have created a digital design program that includes a 3D printer.
What was your favorite thing about 3D printing?
I like to seeing it on the computer and make it built in real life.
As you can see, 3D printing is a great match for the upper grades, but the graphic design process can be a bit too complex for the lower grades. Knowing the importance of teaching everyone digital design skills and wanting all students to see how technology brings their creations to life, we created a mug project for younger students. Students drew a picture on the iPad and then used the Cricut to transfer these designs onto mugs to take home and share with their families. I wish you could have been there to hear the students cheer when they saw the final product. Here is a quick glimpse of their excitement.
What did you like best when we made the mugs?
I liked when we draw whatever we want and then we printed it and then put it on the mug.
Draw on the iPad and see the picture on the iPad, on the Cricut, and on the mug too.
The part where we drew them. We got to see what happened on the mugs. Drawing them in the iPad and taking them home.
What this mug project taught us is that we need to expand our digital design program to include projects and methods that are accessible to all of our students. This is where Dream, Design, Develop comes into play. Through the use of a Glowforge, engraving materials, and laptops, we will build a solid design foundation for all of our students that we can expand upon each year in order to prepare our students to be 21st century learners. One of the Glowforge's strongest features is that it allows students to build their confidence as they become aware of and comfortable with the 5 fundamental engineering design process steps. Students will ask, what if? Imagine as they sketch the idea. Plan by uploading sketches to software to digitize. Create by exporting digitized designs and watching as the Glowforge replicates the design in physical form. And improve by evaluating results and making changes as necessary. To demonstrate how inclusive the Glowforge is, our first project will be a mosaic of engraved ceramic tiles that each student will make. Students will draw a design to represent themselves and how they see themselves at our school. This may be as simple as a stick figure from the TKers or as elaborate as a self-portrait from a 6th grader. The tiles will be displayed as a showcase of the diversity and range of our student body. The laptops will be used for more complex designs from upper grades that will require more advanced drawing software such as Inkscape, Adobe Illustrator, or Fusion 360 that is not available on the Chromebooks or iPads. The Glowforge is versatile in that many classroom projects are available, not just limited to STEM projects. Students can build boxes for candles that showcase how math can be used to create patterns. They can make wooden or ceramic magnets as souvenirs for their state projects. They can make leather or acrylic bookmarks that they have designed to represent their favorite book. They can make jewelry to sell at student business days. They can make puzzles of plant cells or snowmen, and they can engrave rocks for our neighborhood event, Community Rocks, where in the past we have painted rocks with inspiring pictures to hide around the neighborhood to spread cheer. This project is innovative because it allows students to fully embrace the design process by transforming the Common Core's important 4 C's, critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication, into the 3 Ds, dreaming, designing, and developing. This project lets students find new ways to answer such eternal questions such as, what if? Wonder what? Or why can't? It provides them with the opportunity to take a concept and turn it into a realized physical object using all aspects of a multidisciplinary education, combining art, engineering, math, science, hardware, and technology to manipulate virtual reality into physical objects. Dream, Design, Develop is an inquiry-based experience that allows many creative learning approaches to flourish, making judgments, forming arguments, providing evidence, justifying, evaluating, questioning, synthesizing, all with the end goal of coaching students as they apply curricular concepts to come up with real-world solutions. Dream, Design, Develop is perfect for collaborative or team-based project learning, a key component of Common Core standards. It is natural for flexible grouping, peer critique, and collaboration beyond the classroom. Success will be easy to see. All students in grades TK through 6 will be able to dream of an idea, draw what they imagine, and design a final project. This project can be replicated at other sites, and we are happy to host and mentor visitors from other schools who would like to see our program in action. With Dream, Design, Develop, we will acquire the fundamental materials needed in order to create a successful Glowforge experience for all the students at our school. In subsequent years, we plan on having project materials funded through PTA, Donors Choose, and possibly even another IPSF grant.